Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back. We're still looking at our 2010 Pascal paper, and we are up to question 17. In the diagram, PW is parallel to QX, that's what these little arrows here mean. S and T lie on QX, U and V are points of intersection of PW with SR and TR, and so R is just some sort of point up here. If SUV is 120 degrees, and VTX is 112 degrees, what is the measure of URV, this angle up here? Okay. So, I start thinking they wouldn't mention parallel if there wasn't a reason, so I start thinking of results involving parallel lines. And I'll continue thinking of them as I copy this picture into the notebook. We basically just have a little triangle here. And there we go. So we've got 120 here. This is what I want to figure out. And I've got 112 here. Okay. So what in the world can I do? Well, I noticed that this 112 is an exterior angle to our triangle. We've got S. I think it was U, V, T, and R here. Okay, so I noticed the 112 is exterior. Let's call the angle that I want to find X. So a nice little trick with triangles is that the exterior angle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Okay, so if I had a little y here down at the S, X plus Y would be 112. So I'm kind of close to getting X. I've at least got it in an equation. The question is, can I simplify things? Can I figure out what y is? And here's where the parallel lines are going to come in. If you have a single line like RS and it intersects parallel lines, it hits both lines at the same angle. So if it intersects this bottom line QX at an angle of y, it'll intersect PW. It'll intersect PW at an angle of y. So I get an angle of y up here at U. But then look at that, I've got a full 180 degrees, so 120 plus y is 180. From there, I figure out y is 60. I plug it into this expression here. Rearrange x is 112 minus y, but y is 60. And so I will get x is 52. So 52 degrees is the answer up top. Now, that's not the only way you could do the question. You could say, hey, here's 112, so what's the other angle here? You can calculate a 60 here, and this will be, we need to add up to 180, so this will be a 68. And then, again, that parallel line stuff will put a 68 up here, and then you can get a smaller triangle that has to add up to 180. That is another way to do the question, certainly. But either way, we get 52, and 52 is an answer of A, right there at the front. So we're just going to bubble in A and move right along to our next question, question 18.